Hi Charger parents and community. It's Richard Zimmerman, the principal at Marysville-Getchell High School, here with another quick charge. Well, it was a fantastic week and I can hardly wait to get into what happened. Yes, it has been a fantastic week. We had our Spring Spirit Week. It was great. Every day was a different theme, and we culminated it this past Friday with our Pep Assembly. And we'll be seeing a little bit about that and what happened at the end. But before we get to that, I wanted to review one more time the Charger Way. Now, we've been reviewing this for the past few weeks. As we remember, the Charger stands for community, honesty, ambition, resilience, growth, equity, and relationships. And this week we are on the almost final part of the Charger Way, and that is equity. Because here at Marysville-Getchell High School, we strive to treat every person with respect. And yes, it's something that we're working on. Most of the time, things are going great, but when things don't, we try to work them out. And so, if we can, each one of us, take that responsibility to treat every single person in our school with respect, then Getchell will just keep getting better and better. So, keep up the good work, and let's watch that Pep Assembly.
So proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched were so
Yeah, it definitely was a great assembly. It was a great week, and every week's a great week here at Marysville Getchell High School because, as you know, we strive to make each and every day a great day the Charger way.